On June 18, 2025, the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court delivered a significant ruling by quashing a first information report (FIR) filed against 7 family members under Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code, which pertains to cruelty by a husband or his relatives against a woman, highlighting the provisions increasing misuse to settle personal vendettas. The court, presided over by Justices Vinay Joshi and Valmiki S.A. Menezes, criticized the complainant's attempt to weaponize Section 498A, noting that the allegations of cruelty appeared to stem from personal grudges rather than credible evidence of harassment or abuse. The case involved a woman who had filed the FIR against her husband and his extended family, accusing them of mental and physical cruelty, but the court found the claims vague, lacking specificity, and unsupported by corroborative evidence. The judges emphasized that Section 498A, originally enacted to protect women from domestic cruelty, was being misused in this instance to harass the accused, thereby undermining the law's intent and clogging the judicial system with frivolous cases. The court's ruling aligns with a growing judicial trend in India to scrutinize the misuse of this provision, as seen in previous Supreme Court judgments like Arnesh Kumar vs. State of Bihar, 2014, which called for caution in arrests under Section 498A to prevent unnecessary harassment. The Nagpur bench further noted that the FIR appeared to be a retaliatory measure following a matrimonial dispute, a pattern increasingly observed in such cases, where personal animosities are disguised as legal grievances. This decision has sparked renewed discussions on the need for safeguards to prevent the abuse of Section 498A, while ensuring that genuine cases of domestic violence are not undermined. Legal experts argue that such rulings underscore the delicate balance between protecting victims and preventing the exploitation of legal provisions, with some advocating for amendments to make the section gender-neutral or to introduce stricter penalties for false complaints. The judgment also reflects broader concerns about the overburdened judiciary, as frivolous cases contribute to delays in addressing legitimate grievances. The court's observations resonate with ongoing debates about reforming family laws in India, with stakeholders calling for a more nuanced approach to address both victim protection and the prevention of legal misuse. This ruling, reported by legal news outlets like Bar and Bench, serves as a reminder of the judiciary's role in upholding justice while guarding against the manipulation of protective laws for ulterior motives. For further details, sources like Bar and Bench, barandbench.com, or LiveLaw, livelaw.in, provide comprehensive coverage of the case. If you'd like, I can search for additional sources or analyze related judicial precedents to deepen the context.